Yan, home time na. Home time na guys. At pero may overtime pa rin ng isang oras ngayon. At may customer ako. Nasaan na yun? Ayan. May customer ako ngayon dito. Pupuntahin natin dito sa parkingan, sa park. Papalitan lang naman natin battery. Trabaho din siya. Hey, come on here. Ay, customer tayo. Palitan lang natin yung battery niya. So, ayan. Start ko muna to para may tools ako dito. May nakahanda na akong tools dito in case na siyempre meron pa sa likod. Ayan, may tools pa dyan at pang jump start. Can you open the hood? Palitan na natin yung battery. Saglit lang to. Okay, sure. Ayan yung Lexus, papalitan natin yung battery. So tanggalin lang natin to. May battery siyang galing yung battery niya is Kirkland.
Why, you proof?
Yep.
Why proof?
Tanggalin lang natin to, tapos yun, tapos ito, tapos yan. Maluwag na rin. Maluwag din. Ayan. Tapos ito.
It's not going. I don't know what happened to this one. Battery died.
Oh, because your battery is
What?
no good. Oh, Kirkland.
Huh?
No good.
Why? Ask about it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry,
Just return this one.
you can.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, your turn.
Yeah, you can. Careful, that will fall down. Just don't.
Yeah, no problem. I know that. Okay. Tanggalin ko lang. Ayan, pag mag-kong kayo, siyempre tanggalin nyo to. Yan. At huwag nyong kakalimutan yung positive at negative. Okay? Okay, go down.
Careful, the clamp.
Yeah, go down. Yeah, like that. Okay? Okay, wait lang. Lalagay ko lang light. Yan, you try. Kasi hindi na mag-start kasi sobrang lamig. Ngayon, dinala na akong battery. Ayan, click. Good. Ayos.
Okay, thanks, buddy.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay.